Shit. But after that first hit, oh, there we go. Beautiful rookie. There you go. Oh my goodness. What's up everyone? Andrew here with Family Fly Ties. I am fishing with my friend Taylor today in a Utah Uinta River. We are after the brook trout, mainly because Taylor hasn't caught one yet.
I haven't.
So we're hoping to get him into one, which shouldn't be too hard. It's the Uintas, and brook trout are plentiful through here. So we'll definitely get him into one today. Enjoy. Cheers to tight lines. Yeah, dry. He came up on the dry. It's a brookie. He came up real quick. So you might want to go a dry. I mean, there was no hesitation, but go ahead and cast up in there.
That's a brookie?
Yeah, beautiful brookie right there. Look at that, beautiful brookie.
How far is, what about this? Is that a good length?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Oh, here? Yeah.
so I just need to chop off the,
Yeah, that's totally fine length right there. Oh, big time. Oh, oh no. A little 3-incher on the dropper.
I'm not forgetting this time to push down the barn.
I'm surprised I didn't get a hit. Oh, I missed one. He took it too light. I thought he had it in his mouth, but he took it too light. There we go. Oh, what's up with my sets? Yeah.
But now, I'm like, yeah, let's do this thing, you know?
Right? You get the fever. You get the fever.
It's all about confidence.
On the dropper again. Oh my goodness. That's it. Come on. So they're liking my dropper. Another one. Oh, he's off as well. I am shocked though, I haven't had more hits on top. I've only... Yeah, so I have 4 hits, and 3 of those are the dropper. Oh, there's a, oh shoot. Oh my goodness, I've never had that happen. Dude, I gotta see how that looked on video. Oh, wow. That's actually a, oh, it's a rainbow. Bigger rainbow, yeah. Actually might be a beautiful rainbow. Wow, that was a pretty rainbow. So they might want a black. So I wonder if you should go black.
I do have a black.
Oh, there we go. Yes, that's a brookie.
On the top.
Yep.
set way too hard.
Yeah, here's a brookie.
Yeah, that's a brookie. Oh, that looks like a pretty one too. Prettier than the ones I got. Sweet. Oh yeah, that's a pretty one. Look at that. That is a pretty guy.
Look at that.
Right there. Yeah, oh yeah, that's prettier than
Oh, look at those
I got.
colors. Yeah.
Pop on, big fence.
Yep. We'll look for holes and fish.
Well, this one wasn't getting any.
Oh, jeez. You gotta let me know the way your rod's facing. There you go. See, something like that. Like, oh, these ones will probably do well here. Those will probably do well here. But hold on to that one as well.
Okay. The only problem with these is they'll begin sinking.
They sink quick?
Yeah, and there's no way to dry them. Of course,
Well,
if I...
no. Well, I got some stuff. That's the thing.
But I don't want to have to, after every like 5 casts at the most, you know.
Yeah, I get it.
Because it does look like they're black, so I'll do this one.
Yeah, cricket. Yeah, that works.
The only problem is it's going to be so hard to see. Why yours is so good is it's got that plume on the top.
Yep,
for that exact reason to be able to see.
That's the whole reason why it's there, to be honest. That is the whole reason
nice
why.
White head too, so it's easy to track.
So.
Because that's where I've been having a problem is, you know, I toss it, I have to be at a certain angle to be able to see
it. Yeah, I get it. I get it.
So, okay, well,
I'm actually gonna switch my fly out.
Are you gonna nymph them? I mean,
I've got a dry dropper. So I'm looking for the top of it, but I'll probably get the bottom of it. Oh wow, like you said.
yeah, you have to go farther down.
I'll switch over to the channel.
Right on this inside lane, right? Yep. I would say after this, that's a fish for sure.
That's a
That
fish.
was one.
Yeah,
They are loving that bottom fly.
they are. All right, you go.
Oh, look at that beautiful brookie. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
That's the brookies that are like why you come out for. Look at that one.
Oh, good. He went quick.
Oh, there's a bite. There we go. He's on the CDC rig. Devin Olson. Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice.
They're liking this one.
Yes. You keep getting hit, don't you?
But we got to not getting the drift. You are. Yep, that one.
Yes. Nice. Got it. That's on the other one, so that's good. There we go. And he's on the CDC midge, Devin Olson's.
Just think you're weeding through the small ones to get to that 15-incher. Because this is the hole that would have a 15-incher in it. There's a better size fish.
Gorgeous. Look at that brookie. Nice job.
The other one I missed was the bigger one.
Seriously. The one I can get, it's a little guy. Hey, getting you guys. Nice little brookie. Beautiful brookie. There you go. Thank you. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was awesome. He came up for it. Come on, guy. Hey. That was awesome. I'm glad I got that on. This is something I could never do with my other style of fishing. That's awesome. Good fish. Let's see how many we can get from behind there. Oh, that's a beautiful brook. Beautiful small brookie there. Yeah. Relax. I almost had you off, bud. Beautiful brookie. Oh, that's a big one. It's the biggest one today thus far. Oh, nice. Oh, and you came out already. Even better. Look at that one. Woo. What a gorgeous brookie. Oh my goodness.
Up on my right side.
What's up, everyone? Taylor and I had a great day. He caught many brook trout,
Seriously.
which was anticipated. At one hole, sadly, I did not get the footage, but he ended up with 25 fish out of the one hole. Incredible
All
for
on
him.
the dry fly.
All on the dry fly, as he said. So, man, can't complain. Good day. Glad we came out. Thanks for watching. Cheers to tight lines.